We'll learn explanation of competitive electron transfer reactions and examples. The redox reactions depend upon the capability of an ion or an atom to oxidize or reduce the other. Thus, in a redox reaction, a phenomenon called competitive electron transfer mechanism is very common. This is similar to the acidity value, which is the strength of an acid to donate a proton. Thus, in a redox reaction, two metals or metal ions compete to oxidize or get reduced. This can very well be formulated in the form of a table showing their reactivity and can be called as a reactivity series. A series called electrochemical series has similar group of metal ions arranged with respect to their reactivity. Some metals displace others from their salt solutions. One such example is iron and copper sulfate. When a nail made of iron is placed in a copper sulfate solution, iron replaces copper from its solution. The color of copper sulfate changes from blue to colorless solution. The copper ions now displaced from its solution coat on the iron nail as a brownish solid. Thus, in this reaction, iron has been oxidized to Fe ion and copper has been reduced from Cu ion to copper. The whole redox reaction and a diagrammatic representation is shown. A second example can be shown with the help of magnesium and copper sulfate solution. On placing solid magnesium, a silver-colored solid in the beaker containing blue-colored copper sulfate solution, magnesium replaces copper. This is seen by the change in the color of solution from blue to colorless and change in the color of the solid from silvery white to brown. Magnesium replaces copper from its solution, thus reducing copper and getting it oxidized. The reduction and oxidation half reactions are given. The whole redox reaction is shown with a diagrammatic representation of the color change of copper sulfate and magnesium powder. You have learnt a redox reaction is one where reduction and oxidation reactions occur together. Competitive electron transfer refers to the fight for transfer of electrons from one metal to another. This can be shown with the help of a few examples, where one metal replaces or displaces the other from its metal solution, thus undergoing oxidation.